Do I have anyone else that wants to?
Lock yourself down. Do it now. I need you to lock yourself
This guy's
into a room.
And of course, then you know, unit says able to clear to assist with perimeter setup on this ADW in Huntersville.
Where the stairs at? Yeah, I'm taking this. Hey, let him know that the security guy just said he's upstairs. We find this dude, and we prune him out. You're the only one that's going to go hands-on with him because he's got a rifle and I got a shield.
This is the real deal, dude. Buckle up, man. Where are you? Where are they? Other side?
Where at?
Straight down here. Straight down here. Go ahead. You'll see him. This way, sir.
Okay, lock yourself down.
I know.
Got an armed officer right here in the hallway, looking down that way. He's right on this station now. 250 is that one? I'm here.
11-11-21, clear me at the main route.
I don't see anyone.
6203. I need everybody to stay off the Air Force Station. Hold on. Stop. Quick. Sir, show me your hand. Show me your hand. Do it now. Drop it. 6203. Shots fired. Shots fired. RP. Shots fired. Austin, get back over here. Sir, put that gun down. Drop the gun. All right, the gun's right here.
Where's
Do
the
not
gun?
move. Do not move.
Where's the gun at?
We are in the surgical, I think the nurse's station. I got one white male, multiple gunshot wounds.
Where's the gun at, Mike?
Right
You see
there.
it?
Right there.
All right, we're
Take
good.
a second and look. Check our backs and make sure nobody's going to shoot us.
Right,
Sir.
the officer right down there. 9-2-11-28. There's
Up here! Up here!
suspect has been shot. No officer's been shot. Austin, you good?
I'm good.
Mike, you good?
Yep, I'm good.
I need a unit.
No, he's not secured.
He's not secured.
Right
Right over here!
Here in the lobby.
Hey, somebody tell him that we're here. Austin, walk out there. Walk out there and get him.
Is this guy or out here?
I just need to get, you need to get whoever, he's right here. He's good.
We only saw one.
No officers have been shot. Only the suspect. He's down in what looks to be the nursing station, right across from room 2265, second floor.
He's the only one. He's the only one.
We heard two shots.
All right, okay.
2248.
2248. Give me 2 officers to go check that room.
2248, I believe, is going to be. What's 248 on this side?
Me and him. These 2 guys right here. I just need 2 guys to check that. Go with them, please. Show them exactly where that room is.
Hey, I don't know where this goes. You need to check. Get someone. Mike, come here. Come here, Mike. I need you to take that security officer. There are shots fired. I don't know what's behind this wall. We need to make sure everyone's 10-4 on the other side. You pointing this shit right at me, dog.
I know, that's why I shot him. You good?
Yeah.
Where's the gun?
It's right here. It's away from him.
Okay.
11-20. We got medic or anyone coming up here.
He's right here. I got the gun.
Gun's right
He's
here.
Now, sir.
He looks to see. He looks to see, Silty.
Who's hurt?
Hey,
You're injured. Let me know. Where you at? Hold him. Hold. What you got?
Hey, you can host him. You can host. You can host. Everybody take a deep breath.
Have these been cleared?
No.
no. Green,
Are you okay, sir? Yeah.
Anyone in here with you? Clear? Are you okay?
Units be advised, Meg. It's gonna be a road.
Police department. Police department. Anyone in
You
here?
okay?
Police department.
Okay.
Clear behind.
We're here. We're here. We're right here.
Hey, step out there so they can see us. And I'll step out here too. No hostiles in here. It's clear.
Nothing right now, man.
So we just got one, right? That's all we got.
Hey, Ben, can you just help check all the rooms along that, see that hallway? Check all the rooms, make sure everyone's 10-4.
What? Anybody on this way?
No.
Hey, LT.
Did you check every room?
He had a good thought.
Get check every room.
We shot
Every
this way.
room needs to be
Make
checked
sure
in that
we didn't
hallway.
shoot anybody. I shot that way, sir. From where Brad is?
We're all
that
right
way.
here.
Sir?
This way. No. LT. LT, I'll start making notifications.
Yes.
You good? You good?
Yeah.
Whenever we get clear, you get outside and you get on the phone.
I understand.
Get you somebody here.
I just want to make sure we keep that gun here until we get somebody to collect it.
Yeah.
And then I'll be...
Just leave it there.
No, I'm just saying I'm going to wait right here. Yeah, we're good.
P3610, show me 23 at the water. Alright, 961, all responding units. We have 15 officers here.
Make sure we don't get that
Perimeter help.
Just want to make sure that we get this thing settled first.
Response back down. Take place to Hudson Parking Canal, units below traffic area row, or you can go Neil. I believe we probably the hospital until we get over secure. Stand by, take place all units en route for your traffic time is clear.
How in the world did he get a gun?
P3610,
In a hospital.
you got problems.
Gosh, man. He pointed it right at him.
Mommy, do what you want.
Fuck.
Officer Manage to the North Sergeant.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Confirming you're 23, is that correct?
Hey, come here. I got it.
Just let me know when you get 23, I'll see you with it.
Where'd you come down at?
Yeah, we can.
We want to start pulling these people out of the room.
Just leave, once you get your weapon there, next leave them as they are.
Okay.
Decompress, right?
Somebody gonna-
Hey,
Somebody gonna-
LT, this is, Sean still on call?
Yeah, change it.
Right.
I got mine.
Keep an eye on that gun. It's right on the other side of that cat. Sir? I'm coming.
No. I got it.
No, sir, I'm good.
Alright, I'm going to bring up your rear security if you want.
Hey, Sarge, am I good to cut this now?
Yeah.
Well, you say we can cut this,
I asked him if we cut it. He said yeah.